Whenever the right person is in our lives, what God has placed in us will be revealed. Hi, my name is Robert Myers. I am passionate about beekeeping.
This profession is an amazing mix of science, nature, and a whole lot of patience.
So, Robert, how did you get into beekeeping?
Working with my pastor from 2018, and he taught me. While working with him, I fell in love with it, and he told me I need to start keeping myself. And from then, I follow his instruction and I get one for myself, and I fell in love with it.
Beekeeping is all about following the seasons. During the spring and summer, I suit up every week or two to check on the hives. I use a smoker to calm the bees down so I can safely check on the queen and look out for pests. Ensuring that everyone is healthy, learning how to read a hive like that is a skill my pastor drilled into me early on. Then come fall, if the bees have made extra honey, we harvest it, spin it out, and bottle it up. Keep in mind, no matter how good your gear is, you will get stung at some point. It's just part of the deal. Honestly, in the end, it's all worth it. Getting your own fresh, raw honey is awesome.
And dealing with them, it gives me a peace of mind and a calm spirit.
But just being out in nature with God is the best part. It forces you to slow down, clear your mind, and really connect with God.
Whenever the right person is in our lives, what God has placed in us will be revealed.